Our website and intranet are crucial to what we do, but because of our workload, it's a real struggle keeping the content up to date, and the whole process is terribly inefficient. But then we invested in TimeBank from Harlequin Solutions. Now when we want work done on the website or the intranet, like adding content, making videos, improving functionality, well, anything really, we just call Harlequin and the work is done immediately. Our communication strategy has been transformed. Now our website actually meets the needs of our patients, and for the first time, the intranet encourages staff engagement. Thanks to TimeBank, our department can focus on other crucial projects. Harlequin Solutions understood our needs and transformed the way we do business.